Importance of forest. We all know the importance of forest. First importance is plants absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen. A large forest cover is therefore very important for maintaining an ecological balance. So forests are very important. They provide us oxygen. Second is the roots of trees bind the soil. This prevents soil erosion. Forests are also very important for to control soil erosion. Soil erosion means the removal of soil by water and wind. So the roots of trees, they bind the soil. Third is forest give us many useful things like wood, fruits, oil, dyes, gums, medicine, etc. These things we get from our forest. Resin used in making varnish is a sticky substance obtained from some trees, especially pine. Lac is a dark red sticky substance secreted by an insect that lives on trees like the palas and kusum. It is used for making dyes, bangle and sealing wax. Forests are also home to large and diverse wildlife. Fifth is adequate forest help in making the environment stable which leads to increased agricultural product. Sixth, they meet nearly 40% of the energy needs of our country. Seventh is forests account for about 25% of fodder needs for our country. Fodder means for animals. Eight, they play an important role in rural and tribal economy. Many rural peoples are dependent on forests for their livelihood. About 1/3 tribals in our country earn their livelihood directly from the forest. It is therefore very important to protect our forest. We human beings, because of our activity, we are destroying our forest. So what type of activity like overgrazing by cattle, cutting of trees carelessly, loss of forest through fires, deforestation for our habitation. Next is preservation and maintenance of forest. So how we can preserve our forest? Forest research institutes have been set up at Dehradun in Uttarakhand and Coimbatore in Tamil Nadu. There is a proper government policy for protection, preservation and development of forests. So the first step is by setting up many research institutes, like for example Dehradun in Uttarakhand and Coimbatore. By government policies we can protect our forest. The government has put certain controls on export of forest products and made sandalwood oil a restricted item of export. So these policies can prevent our forest. Soil forestry programs like Van Mahotsav, we can celebrate Van Mahotsav, which involve planting thousands of trees along roads, railway lines, hill slopes, help in increasing the green cover in the country. So these are some of the methods by which we can prevent our forest.